If you're looking for smart kitchen solutions, welcome back to NaxFind. Today, we're sharing some of the best Amazon finds to help you save space, stay organized, and make cooking easier every day. Links to all the products are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. The Lifewit Silverware Organizer, a simple kitchen upgrade that keeps your drawers neat and organized. Its expandable design fits a variety of drawer sizes, giving you dedicated space for forks, knives, spoons, and other utensils. It's a great way to reduce clutter, maximize storage, and make it easier to find exactly what you need while cooking or setting the table. Number 2. The GOTHAM Steel Stockpot, a versatile cookware essential that's perfect for soups, pasta, stews, chili, and family-sized meals. The spacious design gives you plenty of room to cook large batches, while the non-stick interior helps food release easily for quick cleanup. It's a practical addition to any kitchen, whether you're cooking weeknight dinners or meal prepping for the week. Number 3. The Heartnoks Juicer Machine, a great way to enjoy fresh juice at home. It efficiently extracts juice from fruits and vegetables while helping preserve natural flavor and nutrients. Whether you're making orange juice, green juice, or your favorite fruit blends, this juicer makes healthy drinks quick and convenient. It's a great addition to any kitchen for anyone who enjoys fresh homemade juice. Number 4. The Cambom Rotary Cheese Grater, a handy kitchen tool that makes food prep faster and easier. Simply turn the handle to quickly grate cheese, vegetables, nuts, chocolate, and more with minimal effort. The interchangeable blades give you multiple slicing and shredding options, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen while helping save time during meal prep. Number 5. The PAULSWAY Honey Dispenser, a simple way to pour honey without the sticky mess. Just press the lever to dispense the right amount for tea, coffee, toast, pancakes, or desserts, then release it to stop the flow. Its drip-free design helps keep your countertop clean, making it a convenient addition to any kitchen. Number 6. The AccuSharp Knife Sharpener, a quick and easy way to restore the edge of your kitchen knives. Just a few passes through the sharpener can help improve cutting performance, making food prep faster and more efficient. Its compact design is easy to store, making it a practical tool for keeping your knives ready for everyday cooking. Number 7. The Ziliny 2-piece wicker bread basket. Set a stylish way to serve and organize bread, rolls, fruit, or snacks. The woven design adds a warm, rustic touch to your dining table or kitchen countertop, while the 2-basket set gives you plenty of serving options for family meals, parties, and gatherings. It's both practical and decorative, making it a great addition to any home. Number 8. The Shoxil Pancake Batter Dispenser, a simple kitchen tool that helps you pour pancake, waffle, cupcake, and muffin batter with less mess. Just squeeze the handle to control the flow and create evenly sized portions every time. It's a great way to speed up breakfast prep, reduce spills, and make baking easier for the whole family. All products. Links are in the description below. Number 9. The Salabarpro Cutting Board, a durable kitchen essential designed to make food prep cleaner and more organized. It provides a spacious surface for chopping fruits, vegetables, meats, and more, while the sturdy construction is built for everyday use. It's a practical addition to any kitchen, helping make meal prep easier and more efficient. Number 10. The Ofargo Stainless Steel Meat Injector, a handy cooking tool that helps add flavor deep inside your favorite meats. It's perfect for injecting marinades, butter, or seasoning into turkey, chicken, beef, pork, and more, helping create juicier and more flavorful results. Made from durable stainless steel, it's easy to use, easy to clean, and a great addition to any grilling or cooking setup. All products, links are in the description below. Number 11. The Kitchen in the Box Food Processor, a compact appliance that makes everyday meal prep faster and easier. It quickly chops vegetables, fruits, herbs, nuts, and more, helping you save time in the kitchen. Its space-saving design is perfect for small kitchens, while the simple controls make it easy to prepare ingredients for a wide variety of recipes. Number 12. The Rubbermaid Brilliance Food Storage Containers, a smart way to keep your food fresh and your kitchen organized. These clear, stackable containers help maximize cabinet and refrigerator space while making it easy to see what's inside. They're perfect for meal prep, leftovers, snacks, and pantry staples, making everyday food storage simple and convenient. Number 13. The 7-Code Large Dish Drying Rack, a practical kitchen organizer that helps keep your countertops clean and clutter-free. It offers plenty of space for plates, bowls, cups, utensils, and cutting boards, while the built-in drain board helps direct excess water into the sink. It's a great space-saving solution for busy kitchens and everyday dish drying. All products links are in the description below. Number 14. The Comellow Bamboo Cutting Board, a durable and stylish kitchen essential for everyday meal prep. The spacious bamboo surface provides plenty of room for chopping fruits, vegetables, meats, and more, while the natural bamboo construction is gentle on knife blades. It's a practical addition to any kitchen and can also double as a serving board for cheese, bread, or appetizers. Number 15. The BLAZPATH 5-in-1 Grill Prep Tray is a smart way to organize ingredients before and after grilling. The stackable trays help separate raw and cooked foods, marinated meats, vegetables, and other ingredients, making meal prep cleaner and more efficient. They're perfect for backyard barbecues, family cookouts, and everyday cooking, helping keep your kitchen and grill station organized. Number 16. The Jesginboo Paper Towel Holder, a simple kitchen accessory that keeps paper towels within easy reach while saving valuable counter space. Its sturdy design holds standard paper towel rolls securely and makes tearing off a sheet quick and effortless. Whether you place it on the countertop or under a cabinet, it's a practical addition that helps keep your kitchen neat and organized. Number 17. The Farberware Stainless Steel Knife Set, a versatile collection designed to handle all your everyday kitchen tasks. Whether you're slicing vegetables, cutting meat, or preparing fruit, these stainless steel knives provide reliable performance and a comfortable grip. It's a practical set for everyday cooking and a great addition to any home kitchen. All products links are in the description below. Number 18. The ComSaf Food Storage Containers, a simple way to keep your pantry neat and your ingredients fresh. The clear containers make it easy to see what's inside, while the airtight lids help keep dry foods like pasta, rice, cereal, flour, sugar, and snacks fresher for longer. Their stackable design helps maximize pantry and cabinet space, making kitchen organization quick and easy. Number 19. The Mixeshop Under Sink Organizer, a smart storage solution that helps you make the most of unused space under your sink. The multi-tier design keeps cleaning supplies, toiletries, and household essentials neatly organized and easy to reach. It's perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry rooms, helping reduce clutter and keep everything in its place. All products links are in the description below. Number 20. The Nikuy Bamboo Wrap Organizer, a smart kitchen organizer that keeps your plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and parchment paper neatly stored in one place. The built-in compartments make it easy to grab the roll you need while helping keep drawers and countertops clutter-free. Its natural bamboo design adds a clean, modern look to any kitchen while making everyday cooking and food storage more convenient. Number 21. The Venkuber Kitchen Cart with Wheels, a practical storage solution that adds extra workspace and organization to your kitchen. The rolling design lets you move it wherever you need it, while the shelves provide convenient storage for cookware, pantry items, small appliances, or kitchen essentials. It's a great choice for small kitchens, apartments, and anyone looking to maximize storage without taking up too much space. If you enjoyed these Amazon kitchen finds, be sure to like this video, subscribe to NaxFind, and turn on notifications for more smart product recommendations. You'll find links to all the products in the description below. Thanks for watching!